What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add another Instagram account on your phone. It could be Android phone or iPhone phone, and on the same app on the same device. So you don't have to download any app or anything like that. You can create multiple Instagram accounts on your Instagram, and you can switch between these accounts. That's what I'm about to show you in this video right now. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram. If you want to add another account, you can also add multiple accounts if you want. Now here is exactly how you can add another account. Now you want to click, guys, on three little lines in the top right, and then you want to click on settings in the top. And then you want to scroll down a little bit and you will find here something called add account. So whenever you want to add a new account, just come back to this and then click add account, and I will tell you in a few seconds how you can switch between your accounts so that you can use any account that you want at that moment. Now you want to click on add account, and here Instagram will ask you if you want to log in into existing account or create a new account. Now if you already have an account, you can click on log into existing account. Now if you don't have a new account, you want to create a new one, you want to just select on create a new one. The same steps, guys, if you click either one of these. Now I'm going to click on create a new account, and now I'm going to put the username here. Next. Now I'm going to type a password here, and I'm going to click next. After that, you want to click on complete sign up. Now you will have to wait like a few seconds. It depends on your internet connection. I don't know why it's taking so long, honestly. Just give it a few seconds, like 10 seconds or 5 seconds, and it will work. Now after you click on continue sign up, yeah, it says an error here. You want to click it again, something went wrong. Okay, if it says something like this, just close your Instagram. You already made that account. You can see here it's just an error, but you have created a new account. You have added a new account to your Instagram. Now if you want to switch between your accounts, you want to click the username in the top left. As you can see, this is the username. Click it and you can see the account that we have created. Click on it, and here you can upload the picture if you want. It will probably ask you to upload the picture if it doesn't display that error that you have seen, but doesn't really matter. You can edit here if you want. Click on the profile picture and then click add profile photo. You can then choose from library, and then you can select any photo you want. Done. And that's exactly, guys, how you can add a new account, and you can switch between these accounts by clicking in the username in the top. You will find all the accounts that you have, and like I said, guys, you can create multiple accounts whenever you want. Just do the same steps. See you guys in the next video. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like. Let me know if you have any question in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.